Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to access a script from another script. So the first thing that we will need to do is let's create an empty object, and this we will just call objects1 like this. And here we will add a script. Let's call this script1. Script1 like this. Let's add the script. Let's create a new empty object and call this your object 2. And here we will make another script and call this script 2. So now let's open the script 1 up in Visual Studio. And in here we will simply just make let's make a public text just so we can see something is happening. No, let's make a public float and call this number and set it equal to 10 like this. Hit the save button. So let me close the other ones I have open here. Now let's open script number 2. And in this tutorial I will show you how to access script 1 from script 2. So in here we now in script 1 we have a public float with a number of 10. And what we can do here from script 2, we can say, if we say private script 1, and this one we will just call script 1. And then in the start function, when we start the game, we will say script 1 with lower is equal to find object of type, and it has to find script 1. So now we have a reference to the script, so when this game starts it will try to find the object of type in the game, and it will look for the script 1. So now in our update we can actually access it by say like script1 dot help. What did I call it? Did I not call it help? Just a second. Number, sorry. Dot number. And then you can say it's equal to 20 instead. So now we can access the number on script 1. Another way you can do it, if this is I use this most of the times, because then I don't have to reference it, because here it will find it in the scene as well. But if you maybe use this script more than one place, or you have something with the same name, then it can be a bit tricky. So another way you can do it is if you remove this in the start function as well again, and up here you will just make this one public. Oh no, let's keep it private and make it serialized instead. Serialized field like this. So now when you save this and go back to Unity, let it compile, then you can see on object 2 it needs a reference to the script 1. So here you can simply just drag your object 1 that has the script 1 on it and drag it over here. So now it have a reference to the script. So now on script 2 it actually does the same. The script 1 and the number, and here we can set it to 20. So that's another way to access the script. Another way you can do it as well will be example with a tag. So if we take script 1 and up here let's tag it, let's just use one of the default one, the player. Then go back to script 2 again and just remove the serialized field again. And here we can say now script 1 dot find game object dot find it with just is equal, game object dot find with tag, and here we need to find the player dot get component, and here we want to find the script 1 on this component. So that's another way to find it if you only have a tag. So it will look for a game object in the scene with the tag player, and on that player it will get the component, the script 1. And on the same way we can now access the script 1 number and set it to 20. The last way I will show you is not something I will recommend, but it is possible. I will show you why. So if we comment this one out, go to the, let's just remove the update down here as well. Go to script 1, and a way to access this one is to make it, I actually think we can make it private and then use static. And then we can go to script 2 and we can actually remove this up here. And here in the update we can say script 1 dot number. Nope, it needs to be public like this. And then script 1 number equals to 20. This way I will not recommend to do it, because now you have made this a static, so you can actually access this by a mistake in all your scripts. The other method you used here, you reference it to this script, so you will only use the number here. So let's say you have 20 different scripts and you somehow you will forget that you maybe used number in another script, and then you can accidentally use that number in another script, and then you will mix something up. So this is of course a way to do it, but if you only have 2 or 3 scripts in your scene, then yes, this is a method to do it, but I will not recommend to do it like this. Yeah, that was what I had to show you in this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the like and subscribe button below. See you next time.